Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel backpack from one of my favorite brands, Caviar bags. I've worked with them so many times on this channel, so I am here to show you guys another bag. So Caviar bags is an online website that specializes in high quality reps, and I've ordered so many different Chanel bags from them, so love this. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post, and let's get into it. So it does come with a box, love that. And I have had my eye on this bag for a while now, and I just thought it would be a good little staple to have in my collection. It does come with a dust bag, and it does have like a shopping bag and receipts that come with it. So let's open it up. Okay, so cute, guys. I love it so much. I did want it in black. Black just goes with a lot of stuff in my wardrobe. This black and gold is so nice. I love the little drawstring on here. I specifically wanted the one with the two front pockets, and I wanted the one that had the like grain leather to it. So this is perfect. It is like the smaller size, and it has like the quilt design on the back, the adjustable straps, CC. I feel like the quality is so good, and you do have a little space to put something in your pockets if you wanted to. Really good. And you just open it. Oh, sorry, you're gonna turn it to open it. See that there? This is where you pull to adjust it. So let me actually pull that for you guys so you can see. Loosen it up. Yeah, it has pretty good space in there. And then it has like a little back pocket as well. So love this. The quality, like I said, is really nice. Caviar bags always does an amazing job on the craftsmanship of their bags, so it's definitely a go-to. I will of course have this bag linked in the description box below, plus a discount code, so you guys can head over there and shop. I love how sturdy the bag is. It's not flimsy. The quality is just really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.